welcome back to my channel. I've noticed that I've been messing up. I noticed that I have been, take ownership. I've been putting in the work I deserve and that most of all you guys deserve. And I could be doing a much better job. And I've come to the conclusion recently after my brief vacation I had last week that I've been doing way too much gear reviews, too much tutorials, and that I could be doing a lot more. Not that those things are bad. Everybody likes a good old opinion about a piece of lens or, new camera coming out, lighting, etc. And everyone likes to learn some how-tos. How do you do X, right? Lighting or white balance check or whatever it is. Those are all great. But there's one key thing that I've noticed that I have been leaving out of the kind of content I'm producing for all of you out there. And that is me, right? Even though I've been sharing a lot of my experience and knowledge that I've learned along the way with all of you out there, when it came to lighting or photography or videography or whatnot, I don't think that I've been including more of me in the experience. The everyday, the step-by-step journey I go through to not only better understand lighting, whether it comes to photos or video, but also how do I continue to adapt to a fast-paced environment. AI is really making us to think strategically and to have to adapt much faster than we normally have when it came to technology disrupting the industry. And the one thing that can't be easily replicated is yourself. You out there, and that goes for me. And that's the one element I want to showcase more in my upcoming videos. So yes, I'll still be doing reviews. Of course, I'll be giving my opinions. Of course, I'll still be doing tutorials, etc. But I want to take you also along my personal journey, the ups and downs, the left and the rights of me as a photographer and a filmmaker. I'm not claiming to know it all, but I at least want to show you all and take you along that. So I have put together more camera gear for me to be able to record content while doing whatever it is that I'm doing. So yeah, I think I want to lean back a little bit on the gear reviews and tutorials and just have you come along with me along my creative journey. There are times where I'm like, oh man, I should have shared X. And then by the time I sit down, get the lighting, get everything perfect, get the mics and whatnot, I realize I forgot what I was going to talk about, and then I've overproduced it, the idea so much that it never comes to fruition. But I swear you guys would have liked it. So now, just like now, I'm just going to turn on a camera, turn on the mic, and just talk to you. And do that as random and as much as possible. And hopefully you all get to know me a little bit better, but also get to learn a little bit more on what it really takes to do what it is I'm doing. I've been doing YouTube for quite some time. I started to really press the gas during the pandemic time. And, it's become like a job, quite honestly, but I really enjoy it. And I think for me to still feel very passionate about it, I need to make this channel more about my journey and sharing that with all of you versus the latest gear and the tutorials being at the forefront. And again, as I said, I'm not going to stop doing those things, but I think the priority should be you come to my channel to find out what Robert's up to versus latest and greatest gear review, because there's some great channels. Shout out to Petapixel is one of them, or Kai Wang, or any of those guys that are phenomenal at giving really good gear reviews. I watch them all the time. Jared Poland's another one. I don't want to battle in that space. I won't win. I'm not a huge techie. I don't care about how many blades, etc. I like getting a lens, shooting it, and saying, hey, this is what I like and don't like. Here's what I do and don't like about a camera. keep it simple and plain. And I want to bring more of that personality to all of you. So with that said, yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. I want to bring more of me to all of you along my creative journey. I hope that's something you're interested in. Let me know what you think about my course correction with the kind of content I want to provide here on this channel. Of course, if you enjoyed any of this, smash that like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And until next time, keep shooting and stay creative.